What's up, everybody? Today we got Saturday, September 2nd.
Good afternoon.
Yes. We're heading over to a place, Il Corso.
Yes, Il Corso near SMC side.
Yeah, SMC side. It's a place actually we've been to a couple times now.
Yeah.
We really like it. A bunch of eateries over there.
It's
Yeah.
an amazing view along the bay.
Yeah.
They have a long bay walk. You can stroll there.
Right?
And yeah, a lot of food choices.
Yeah, a lot of food choices, a great little walkway, beautiful sunset, really a great scene. So we're gonna head over there. We're gonna have some dinner and
Yeah.
All right, we'll be right back. All right, everybody. Guys, we made it to El Corso. We're here. We got our mango shakes. Look at the size of your straw, Joe.
Yeah, it's super long. Yeah, so also our mango shake is so big. And I love it because they put ice cream on it.
Yes.
And with the mango.
We're both a big fan of the mango shakes.
Yes, we both are.
Which is why we gotta run.
We almost have same orders every time.
Right.
So
But check out this scene here, guys. We'll shoot walking down here, but really the incredible boardwalk here. And then you've got this kind of scene. You got all kinds of restaurants and eateries all up and down here.
yeah, all the way.
Yeah. We'll walk down here in just a little bit. We got a great sunset coming up.
And you also see a lot of people in groups, like families and friends.
Yeah, it's a big
coming
family
in.
destination. So if you're coming to Cebu, this would be a place I would come check out for sure.
Yeah.
Put it on your list. We'll put a map too of where it's at.
Yeah. It's along the South Road properties near SMC side, and also beside this place is the No Star Hotel and Casino.
Right, North Star's right there.
Yeah, North
Yeah,
Star.
really cool.
Yeah, and also on the other side there's the Casadia sa SRP, which is like an amusement park with rides and
Really?
all that. Yeah.
Oh, we should go sometime.
Yeah.
I didn't know that was there.
It
Oh,
is
that's so
there.
cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. So just remembered real quick to get here. You can take a cab to get here, but make sure you got Grab to go home. Now, there might be cabs and stuff in the area, but there might not be. So I would definitely get Grab set up before you try to come out here. I think my buddy Scott, who was out here the other night, he was able to take a cab home, but you might not be able to count on a cab. So make sure you got Grab to set up to come out here. So, all right, guys, we will be back when we're walking down the alleyway here. So check it out. Well, guys, we finished our mango shakes. Now we're gonna walk down this area here, these eateries.
Yeah. Right now we are in the north parking area. So
Yeah, we tried this place right here. What do we have? We had Porterhouse, right?
yeah, we had
A couple of steaks.
steaks. This is called a Steak Shack.
Steak Shack.
Yeah, they offer only rice and only gravy and only soup. Yeah, they get a lot of customers.
Yeah, it was pretty good, wasn't
yeah,
it?
they're really good.
Yeah, I enjoyed it. We had some music playing though.
Right.
So yeah, lots of eateries kind of running down through here. You know, it's still a little bit early. It's not quite 5, so not a lot of people out.
Yeah, last time we were here was Sunday. It was full packed.
Right, it's just packed. This whole area was packed. So
Yeah.
it's kind of nice that it's not as busy, but yeah, lots of eateries all throughout here. Really kind of cool area.
Yeah, a lot of choices.
Yeah.
They have tacos.
Right?
Sizzling.
Tacos. Yeah, really cool.
Yeah, silog meals.
Do you say oatmeal?
Silog. Silog.
Hey.
Burgers.
All right, let's see what we can get through up here.
A lot of rice meals also.
A lot of rice meals.
Yeah, there's seafood, coffee shop, pizza.
Yeah, a bunch of eateries through here too, we noticed. Cool little walkway. We'll walk up through here and check it out. Oh, they had a band they're setting up.
Yeah, like a little stage.
Yeah, they're setting up for a band tonight.
Right. These are the restos around here.
Okay.
They have,
Yeah, some menus of the restaurants.
Yeah.
Cool.
There are some gypsum, lechon.
Rico's Lechon. Yeah, you can see just a ton of different places.
Yeah, they have also Middle Eastern cuisine.
Oh, look at that. There's a vegan.
Ooh, vegan.
Wow, see? They got
Vegan island.
yeah, all kinds of All kinds of eateries.
Japanese cuisine also.
Luminos, I heard that was pretty good. Someone was talking about Luminos.
Espresso.
The live acoustics, Friday to Sunday, 6:30 to 10:30. Yeah, so we're just early. Yeah, so this starts to get happen at night. The camera doesn't do well so much at low light, so we're just kind of vlogging during the day.
This place is also pet friendly. You can bring your dogs.
That's right. We saw a bunch of pets out here last time too, didn't we?
We saw a bunny as a pet last night. It was unusual.
That's right. Someone had a bunny rabbit out here.
Also, this is a good place to find a date if you're looking for one.
Really? What makes you think that? Yeah?
I see a lot of couples.
A lot of singles?
Also single.
Oh, couples? Oh, good place to bring a date. Okay. Yeah. I thought you were saying good place to find a date.
To find a date and to have a date.
Yes, no, I hear you.
Yeah.
Oh, just look at the setting here though.
Oh, cute.
Neat little area to sit at, kind of romantic, right? Oh, except for the barking dog. Wow. Yeah, it's starting to fill up. There's more and more people coming out. Yeah, look at all these restaurants all the way through here. Now, a buddy of mine was telling me, because down a little bit here, there's some construction, but it looks like this area did get hit pretty hard with Odette. So there's some areas here, even maybe with this water features here that aren't filled up, that they're still repair.
Yeah, the inside of the mall also is still very vacant.
Yeah,
not much going on inside the mall.
Right, and I wonder if that's from just even post-COVID recovery kind of deal too, right? Yeah, you're right. Just a nice little area, walk around. The walkway over here to the left side that you can maybe see some people on, that looks like a great area for exercise, like running. We saw some guys rollerblades.
Yeah, you can do running.
Matter of fact, I think that guy right there might be rollerblading or skateboarding.
Oh,
maybe.
The
way his head's floating.
Yeah. Yeah, skateboarding, definitely.
Yeah, so where do you want to eat tonight, Joe? We should find a restaurant down here to eat at. Looks like a lot of great options.
Yeah, the last one we went to is a Lantau native restaurant.
Yeah.
They offer seafood and Filipino dishes.
Yeah. I think I might have a copy of that menu. I could put in a copy of that too.
It's also a good place to watch the sunset from the top.
No, I agree. It was a really, really nice setup there.
Yeah.
It looked like a lot of Filipinos too were there. Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah, so this is the
Wow.
area. Oh, you can see the bridge from here also. Yeah.
Oh, good call, Joe.
Yeah, the bridge.
Yeah, check out behind us. You can see the new bridge.
Yeah, the new bridge.
Right.
Sislex. From Cebu to connecting to Cordova.
Yeah, Cebu to Cordova?
Yeah.
Yep. And that's a toll bridge, right? To cross over? Yeah.
The longest bridge.
Huh?
Longest bridge.
I was saying a toll bridge too. You have to pay.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
You have to pay a toll to go through it.
Yeah.
It's not much, but yeah. But yeah, this goes on for quite a while. I don't know how long that is.
Yeah.
I'd say a good, I don't know, maybe a mile. I don't know.
Yeah, quite long.
Yeah, from
going to
south to north.
Yeah.
This place looks really popular too.
Yeah, they have lechon, seafood, and grill.
Yeah. So this is the area here too that I was looking at up ahead of us. Might not see on camera quite yet, but it looked like it was impacted by the Odette and that they're repairing it still. That was a pretty major storm. Did you guys have any of that out in Leyte?
Yeah, we have.
Yeah?
But not as strong as the
Right,
Yolanda.
not here. Yeah. Yeah, a bunch of eateries up there as well.
Yeah.
And just lots of options.
Yeah, really. So that one right here is what we call their mini supermercado in that area.
Think we'll have a sunset tonight?
I think so. I can see the sun.
Yeah. You see it over there behind the building? I think we'll have a little bit of a view of it on the other side here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so here this is Odette. They're recovering from Odette here, you know, repairing.
This is like the Manila version of Manila Baywalk and SM MOA.
Okay. Yeah, I haven't been out to Manila yet. I'm anxious to get out there. We have some mutual friends out there. It'd be nice to go out and say hey to them.
Mm.
Yeah, you can see here some kids running, right?
Uh-huh.
So just a real,
yeah, great place to
I think it's just a real up and coming area. You know, like I said, they're repairing this stuff still, but I mean, even so, I think I think 10 years from now or even less than, I think this could be the premier place to be in Cebu.
I agree.
Yeah, you know, they're building all kinds of condos around here too.
Mm-hmm.
You know, lots of condos. That Ayala land, just right by SM Seaside Mall, massive, guys. So
Yeah.
this might be a really good area to check out down the road if your time frame is, you know, whatever, a couple years down the road, or even just if you're here coming to visit. It's fun to visit if you're not looking to live here.
Oh, what a cute setup.
Oh yeah,
Cute setup.
yeah, that's really cool.
Wow, I didn't know it's that setup. Very comfy,
Right, little romantic scene right here.
right?
Although I'll be honest, I'm a little bit old. Yeah, I mean, you get some Thai food and sit on this, sit there and hang out.
Thai food, yeah. If you're looking for Thai food,
Yeah.
there's also
Do you like Thai food?
not much.
No. Oh my
Just
God.
a little. I mean, I only had Thai food like less than 5 times, I think.
Yeah, a little bit of a sunset maybe.
Oh, what are those?
A bunch of foreigners?
What are they doing?
I don't know.
We're here right now at the south parking area
Yeah,
of Il Corso.
south parking area. Oh, it must be a little bit of a race, a road race. Yeah, I mean, this has got to go on for, I don't even know, close to a mile, right?
Yeah, kids can play around here also.
Yeah.
You will see a lot of kids running.
Yeah, people just parking and hanging out.
Oh, also, yeah, people come here to have a picnic and they bring their picnic chairs and stuff. Yeah, they like to hang out here.
Yep. No, it's a great space to hang out. I like it a lot. And all kinds of eateries and restaurants and just a great walkway. Be cool. All right, should we turn around and head back the other direction?
Yeah.
Where should we have dinner tonight?
You wanna try over there? Yeah, right now it's spacious, but maybe years from now it's gonna be crowded like the Manila.
I agree, especially once they get everything built up around here, because this is a really booming area of Cebu, I feel. Lots of development, a lot of growth here. All right, guys. Well, I think we're gonna wander down, maybe get some food here in a little bit. But yeah, we thought we'd just shoot this area. I feel like it's a great area for if you're coming to Cebu to check it out. Lots of good options here. You know, good, friendly, fun environment. So, yeah. All right.
See you in a while.
Yep, we'll be
Crocodile.
back.